I just want to point out, here we go. This parse method is actually something that is, it's actually code that is part of the BCL. It isn't a part of the language technically. It's part of the BCL. And it's a method that we are allowed to use to turn a string into an integer. And there's a variety of them. We can do int.parse, so let's go through them. Let's do string 1 equals 1. And then I want to say console.writeLine int.parse1. We can do console.writeLine float.parse1, double.parse1, decimal.parse1, boolean.parse1. I think those are all the types that we've talked about. I think the boolean will actually, yep, it'll fail because boolean.parse only works with words true or false. So let me go ahead and say string my true equals true and do bool.parse my true. So there are a variety of different parse methods on each one of the basic types that we can use. So yeah, those are the ways that we can actually go about taking a string and turning them into numeric types. But sometimes these fail. I'll get to that last because that gets into some complicated syntax. Instead, I'll talk really quickly about system.convert.